Hello guys, we are going to see fragmentation, a basic fragmentation. How do we do? Okay, so fragment demo. I have already created this fragment basic. Okay, so click on this. Okay, and now I want to take relative name. Okay, fine. Now I want to create one fragment frame layout that is match parent. That is I want 200 dp is enough for me, and I want to create ID for this FL container. Okay, now I want to create three buttons, that is linear layout, that is match parent. It's not a match parent. Okay, so wrap content, it should be below of this ID. Okay, and now the orientation should be horizontally, it was like put, and I want to create a button, and width is 0 dp, and weight should be 1, because we have three buttons, so each button should get third, one by third part of the linear layout. Okay, it should be wrap content. You can also create, it's a, what is this, red button. Okay, so red button, and you have to text, you have to give text, that is red. Okay, just click on Control D, so it will be copy paste, and change the ID red button. Now it's green button. So always green comes after after red, right? Okay, so now D, click on D, green, blue. Okay, fine. Now change the value. Now change the value. Okay, now take all the buttons, Control C, and come to here. So we need to have one butter knife. So if you go to this side, you will have one here. Go to here, click on bundle. So this is the my old one. So where is this, our file? Fragment basics is our project, and paste here, and click on sync now. Okay, so this syncing process will be done. Come to here, and so I think you have copied everything, three buttons, that is bind, view, okay, order, id dot. Okay, click on, so we need these three things. Paste. Okay, now what is this, what we call button? So it can be casted to mbt red button. Okay, red button. And one more thing, what is this, it is also button, and mbt green button. Okay, now it is also button, mbt blue button. Okay, and mbt red button dot set on click listener dot this, click on it, and make this activity implements on click method. So it will be very easy to set all listeners in a one place. Okay, and I am also doing the for this one also. all the IDs, and we need to differentiate which ID it is. So when click on the first button, it should come up here. Okay, break. Okay, it should be like this. When you click on second button, it should come here. Okay, so I'm going for third one. Now paste all these three IDs. Okay, now make it set right. Okay, got it. Now write one method for red button, first button clicked, or red button clicked. And what is this? Green button clicked, blue button clicked. Okay, so this is first button, right? And this is the second one, right? Yeah. Okay, make it sync. Now it is now clear, very much clear. Now what we have to do? We have to differentiate all these things. Create a one package, that is view. Okay, create another package, that is activities. And create another package inside view for view package, that is fragments. Okay, now create a fragment. For that you can take one XML file. So first of all, you need to create one XML file, new layout resource file. So what is that? Fragment red layout. Okay, so remove this, relative layout is enough. So relative layout will be created. Okay, and take the ID of it, RL red fragment, RL red fragment. So just remove this for temporarily, and you need to create a fragment. So for that, take one Java class, that is red fragment. Okay, extends fragment. Which type of fragment? We have two fragments. So take this one. It will be supported to lower devices also, that is lower API level. So we have a default method on create view. Okay, fine. So you need to do this like this: view red fragment view. Okay, so inflator, we have inflator option, inflate r dot or d dot, whatever we have created. What is the fragment layout we have created right now? Fragment red layout. Okay, so just make sure it is not ID, it's a layout. Okay, fragment red layout, then container, then false or null. Okay, it's false. So now we have a red fragment view, right? Red fragment view. Now we need to apply the background color of this relative layer. For that you need to catch the relative layer here. So make it private. No. So we have butter knife. So use that butter knife. Bind view, sorry, bind view or dot id dot. So this is the one. It's not, it's a relative layout, right? Relative layout MRL container. MRL container. So before going to that, you need to initialize butter knife, so it will be work. Okay, red fragment, you need to pass view source. What is a view? So actually it is a view, get activity, This means this object. Yeah, this is the one. What is the view source? Red fragment view ultimately. In this way we have to initialize the butter knife in a fragment. So coming to the activities, I didn't tell you, right? So first of all, before going to that, just shift this activity to activities. Okay, now we have to apply butter knife dot bind of this. This is very simple in activity, but in fragment only it is very tough. So you need two parameters, that is about red fragment context you are passing, as well as view also you are passing. Now it is now activated. MRL container is activated. Now here set background color. Okay, so before that we need to get colors. I will get from colors from my past project. Okay, so this is red, this is green, this is blue. I will paste here. So copy pasting is not a bad habit, not a good, it's a good also sometimes. So what is this? Our fragment, our dot color dot get resources. How do you get the color? Get resource dot get color dot or dot color dot. So red to color, right? So red is another. So here it's red. So now when this line is being executed, the red color will be shown in this layout. Okay, now it is completed. Again you can create another one. Okay, so here I want to use only I don't want to create for fragment blue layout, I don't want to create fragment green layout, I want to use only one layout, that is fragment. I want to rename it fragment common layout. Okay, now it is fragment common layout, and I want to change the ID also, common fragment RL common fragment. Now copy this and RL common fragment. So relative layout common fragment. That's enough. Now, but the thing is, you have to write everything for this. For our simple understanding, we have to copy paste. For that, use F5 button. Now, what is our fragment? Green fragment. Yes, it's green fragment. And also the layout is also changed. Layout also same, and the relative layout also same. No need to worry. But the thing is, we have to change it to blue fragment. That's enough, more than enough. See, you have to pass the view, not the state. So what we have to pass? Red fragment view. Coming to this, it's not a red fragment view, it's blue fragment view. No problem, even if you put that name, because for our simple understanding purpose, we are changing the even object also. That is, be careful about that. Don't forget to do this. So red fragment view. Okay, so this is green fragment view, but you pass this one, so it is green. Okay, and create one more thing. Click on F5 to copy paste. Okay, click F5 or function F5. Green. Next, what is blue fragment? Okay, so simply blue fragment, and change the object name also for simply. Oh, it's also blue fragment, right? Something changed. Green fragment, I wrote blue fragment. Yeah, it's a green fragment, it's a red fragment, it's a blue fragment. Now remove all these things, close all. Okay, now open activity. So we need fragment manager to make transactions. Okay, get support fragment manager, it will be loaded for all devices, like old device also. Take fragment transaction, it will do like adding and replacing. Fragment transaction will be initialized by fragment manager using this method begin transaction. Okay, fragment transaction manager dot add fragment. What is this? Fragment transaction dot add or replace. Replace of what? Or dot id dot rl container. Where is the container? So container means FL, frame layout container. Yes, that's right answer. Now we have to show what is the fragment here. Red fragment. That's enough. And fragment transaction dot commit. So now first fragment will be loaded, and this for green fragment you need to pass green fragment and click on reset button. And for this, and you need to create this, and coming to this, it's a blue fragment. See, if you see this one, the code is equal. Only green fragment, red fragment, blue fragment is being changed, and the remaining also same. Okay, and I don't want, and these three methods will be used only in this activity only. But I want in other package I will create another thing. For that I want to make it global, so it can be anywhere it should be accessed. For that I want to create one utilities method, utilities package. In that one I want, sorry, make it outside, move everything, so the folder will become outside. Utilities, create a one method, one class, that is fragment utilities, and get that method. So when you are writing the code for about things, so make sure it should be context. Make sure you need to exactly context. Without context you can't do anything. So context dot makes up, it does not work, so make it cast to app compact activity. Okay, don't forget that app compact activity. So in that app compact activity we only have get support fragment manager. Got it? Fine. So you need to pass dynamically the id of container, so it can be used in all over the project. So how do you do that? Int container. And one more thing, you need to pass, sometimes you are passing blue fragment, sometimes you are passing red fragment, sometimes you are passing blank fragment. So for that I need from fragment, simple fragment, that is not this one only, fragment. So a fragment can store any type of fragment which is extended by v4 fragment. Okay, simply pause this. Okay, now it is dynamic, strongly dynamic, so you can remove all the code from here. So instead of write, I can write like this: fragment util, simple thing, fragment util is that. So make it private so it can be available to the outside of the class. Okay, fragment utils, oh my god, it's not being available, so make it static so that we no need to create an object. Okay, fine. Now what we have to pass the context. Okay, passed container or dot id dot fl container, and next what? Fragment. What is a fragment? New red fragment. That's it. So get the line and remove all the other code which you have written in outside of the above this line. See how much junk I was removed, and do the same thing for this one also. What is this? Green button, green fragment, and remove all the things. Okay, and do this for this one also. For this it's blue fragment, and remove the code above. Okay, that's better. Now check it out what you have written here. Okay, 200 dB, make it align parent bottom true. Okay, coming to this. Okay, now we have to run this code. Hopefully it will run. Click on without proceed, instant run. Yeah, we got so this is the above place is 200 dp, that is empty container which is not loaded by any fragment first time. In uncreate we have not created anything. There are three buttons, the red, green, blue. Okay, when I am clicking the first button, that is red button, so we got a red color. When I click on a green button, it's coming it's converted to green color. When I click on blue button, it's converted to blue button. So green, red. This is about the tutorial, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. uh, See you later.